see you again. Welcome back. I'm Shifu Leah Williamson of Beachside QiGong.com. As you know, I hope you're enjoying the sequence so far. So we're going to run through what we have learned at this point, Tai Chi for Arthritis Part 2. We're going to go up to the fist under elbow to the right, and then we're going to go to the next part of our form, which is Repulse the Monkey. We're just going to do, just like we did before with Repulse the Monkey, we're just going to do step 1 of Repulse the Monkey in this video. Then step 2 in the next video. We take it slow. Let's begin though. If you haven't warmed up already, I suggest you always begin with a little warm up, maybe practicing part 1, and then in part 2, we begin shoulder width, hands in front of chest. Relax, breathing in, we open hands, breathing out, we close. Brush knee to the right, standing on the right foot, the left toes come in. Our momentum of weight shift drops the hands to the left hip, we look right, we float out the right heel, roll it flat, shift weight, a little brush knee, half step in, leisurely taiko to the right hand comes up. We bring our weight to the back foot, flowing in the foot and hand at the same time. We step forward. Once the foot is flat, shift weight, extending the hands, step in with left foot. Step back, raising the right toes. Now just relax and let the toes go with you to the right, go with you towards the left. And then once we face the right wall, toes face that way, we step into a little push. Our left foot comes forward, and then our right to shoulder width as we open and close. Single whip to the left, on to the right foot, facing left corner, little step in that direction. Feel tall as we stand on left foot, opening center line to the right for fist under elbow. The right foot and right fingers come in. We stand on the right foot facing the left, stepping out for the right fist to punch under the left elbow. Repulse monkey left. Stand on right foot, left cat stance. Look to the back. Left foot steps to the back wall. Brush over the knee. Repulse monkey 1 to the back. Plant the right foot. Stand on it to bring in left toes and left hand. Stand on left foot, looking forward, step forward with right foot, brush knee or repulse the monkey number 2. Then plant the back left foot, stand on it, right hand and right foot come in. We stand there, looking left, step lift, brush knee or repulse monkey number 3. Leisurely taiko left, left hand up, right foot back. Relax onto the right leg, drawing in the left side of the body before floating out the heel. Thumb and forefinger are open. We step into it. We step back. Our toe comes with us as we turn to the left. Back to our right. The fingers face up at the heart. We step into supported push, bringing our right foot to the front for open and close. Once we have center weight, just relax and breathe fully in and out. For brush knee to the left, we bring in our right toes first. We relax there. Looking out to the left makes it easier to float out the left foot. Brush over the knee, little half step, leisurely taiko to the left with the left hand up. The right foot goes back. We should feel at ease as we draw in the left side. The hand rises. We step out lightly. The hands extend as we step in with right foot, step back, relax the muscles, turning the waist only to comfort to the left, and then to our right, facing our left wall. We just float out in a little step, returning right foot to the front, left foot shoulder width for another open and close, and then single whip to the right, standing on the left foot. A little step towards the right corner, shift weight, feeling tall with a push, center line opening to the left corner, fist under elbow, brings in left toes and left fingers. Stand on left foot, look right, step right, left fist punches under right elbow. Now, first repulse monkey, step back on left foot, right cat stance, right toes down, look to the back, step with right foot to the back, shift weight, first repulse or brush knee, and we'll close there. Just bring the feet to shoulder width, relax. So let's detail out that first repulse monkey or brush knee to the back where we're going to the right side, okay? So after our fist under elbow to the right, we step back with the left foot into a right cat stance. We look to the back wall, we step out with the right heel floating down in a bow stance towards the back wall. We shift weight with hips and shoulders and a little half step in with left foot. Let's do that again. So after our fist under elbow to the right, step back with the left foot on the right toes, look to the back wall, right heel floats down, toes to the back wall, hips and shoulders to the back wall, left toe comes in a little toe tap. One more time with the feet after fist under elbow to the right, back with the left foot, right cat stance. Look to the back, that makes it easier to step with the right foot, hips and shoulders turn to the back, left toe tap. So with the hands now, so from fist under elbow, step back, open the left hand, so the right palm faces the inside of the left elbow. Look to the back wall, right heel floats down, one's foot is flat, turn waist, right hand over the knee, left hand throws up high in front of shoulder, left foot follows. Again, from right fist under elbow, so left fist, step back, left fist opens, right palm faces left elbow. Look to the back wall, right foot steps to the back wall, shift weight, right hand over knee, left hand pushes, left foot little toe tap. One more time. So fist under elbow to the right, step back on the left foot, left fist opens, hold the baby on the left hip, look to the back wall, right foot steps out, brush over right knee, left foot follows step. Take a break, shake out a minute. So now let's run the entire Tai Chi for Arthritis Part 2 up through the first Repulse the Monkey. Beginning here in our open and close posture. Feel tall and just let the arms float out as we breathe in and then float back in. First, brush knee right. We bring the weight to the right foot so the left toes can come in. We stand on the left foot with the hands at the hip looking right. The right heel touches lightly, the foot is flat. The left hand goes in front of the shoulder and then leisurely Tai Coat. The right hand comes over the left hand, which touches behind the thumb as the weight comes to the left foot. The left hand comes to the pinky side of the palm as the hand rises. Right thumb and forefinger are open and stay that way as we step back and gently turn to our right. The right fingers turn up as we turn back to our left. Hand is right at the center line and we step into a little push, coming back to open close with the left foot forward and then the right foot in center. We make sure to relax everything and just breathe. Single whip left onto the right foot facing left corner. Left foot little step, then takes our weight as we push. The whole center line turns and opens to our right. Fist under elbow draws in. Right toes and right hand as we stand on the right foot facing left. We step out. The right foot comes in with the right fist under left elbow. Repulse Monkey, stepping back. The left toes are in a cat stance. We look to the back. Left foot steps back. Left hand over knee. Right foot toe tap. Step back with right foot to bring in left hand and left foot at the hip. We stand on left, looking forward. Right foot steps for our second Repulse Monkey with a little half step in, and then left foot goes back again. We stand there to bring in the right side. Once that's in, we stand on the right, looking left. Our third, Repulse Monkey or brush knee. And then leisurely Tai Chi, bringing up the left hand while the right foot goes back. We want to feel stable on the right foot, and then it's easy to stand there as left foot comes in and then floats out in front. The hands extend as we step in with right foot. We step back. The left toes are up and go with our waist as we turn left. Right fingers go around to the back side of the left thumb. Support the wrist as we push. Coming back to front for open close. Right foot and then left foot to shoulder width with even weight. We just relax and breathe. Brush knee to the left, bringing in the right foot. And then the hands drop to the hip. Left palm faces right elbow. Look left, left bow stance. Brush over knee, half step in for leisurely Tai Chi left. The right foot goes back. It takes our weight. So left foot can come in with the hands. Left heel touches, rolls flat, takes our weight. Right foot toe tap, goes back to take our weight. Left toe circles with us left. Back to our right before facing our left wall. Left foot steps with a little supported push. We come back to the front with right and then left foot at shoulder width for open and close. Then single whip to the right. Standing on left foot, facing right corner, right toe, a little step to the corner, shift weight push. Right hand still, turn the waist to open to the left for fist under elbow, left toe and left fingers come in. Stand on the left foot, look right. Right foot steps, left fist punches under elbow. Step back into a right cat stance. Hold the baby on the left hip, look to the back wall, right foot steps for our first Repulse Monkey or brush knee to the back. Then just let the feet come down to shoulder width, relax, take a breath or two. And I would encourage you to practice that several times before coming to the next video, which is the Repulse Monkey number 2, where we turn 180 degrees to the front of the room. And once you're ready, I look forward to seeing you there.